One of the neat things about our program at Kennesaw is our ability to get students hands-on experiences. I think that's important because you may come into a program with an idea about who you're going to be and where you're going to go, but until you've had the opportunity to get out and experience that, you really don't have much way of knowing if that's right for you.
Some people might be scared to talk to professors, but I don't think that's the case. For myself, I'm always going to office hours, always have surprise visits, and they're always really welcoming and receptive. So it's just that feel of a family that I really enjoy.